maybe shower. I'm saying crowd baby in connection with the demolition exercise. Now, first of all, the message is we are manakuma embrafum. In these matters, no dialogue and the bit they are resolving. It is Slamu, Upianya de Emma Nakuma embrafum. For some time now, there has been some demolition exercises going on in this area. A friend of Ramsar Site, Sakumono. About a month or so ago, some demolition exercises were done. And break here for some time. So some houses were pulled down. This crowd to come and demonstrate against the exercise. Now, who said tensions are very high. And information said exercise tensions are very high. Until today, there was likely some crowd will be gathering. And maybe share this heavy crowd here, be demonstrating. As the MP of the area, I also have to come on board and intervene to make sure the situation. I went to the presidency to express the concerns of Mudiaba on board. The reason why you are not happy with the exercise I have and then concerns in the company for the presidency. Now, I did 2 penny for him, so Mutia say concerns are Mudiaba to assume. It's because of that, we're putting the exercise on hold for now. Through the intervention I made with the presidency, the leadership of the operation said, I'm holding on for now. Now what we are going to do is to engage you to have a conversation with all the key stakeholders. Resident Association for this week from Enekoya, may having meetings, series of meetings. How to go about it. Some of you, the major concerns are and say, Munya aware of the exercise. Some of you, Musa Yamamu notices near there. These are all legitimate concerns that we need to sit down and have a conversation on. Intimate Sramu say, Obianya Butre, Mama and Yagidi, Mama and say, Bibia, having a conversation with dialogue. Now you're making sure, say, Baby, I hear down on there, the other at 2 home. From today, there be a series of meetings. Make sure him for no, make sure Resident Association, make sure neighborhood have for more properties were hanging. I be sure. Now the unfortunate thing is that some time back, maybe around share hanging all the properties developments. Now no clear woman said. There was one property who is right in the middle of the Ramsar. It's in Sunin Fifi. It is sometimes nobody people also are young so so how can we be building in the middle of the Ramsar? It's unfortunate. But the situation is such that now the areas that I believe we can secure no secure. This is the conversation I'm going to have with the leadership at the top. Now, how we can mitigate.
Come for our city
so that we see how we can mitigate the situation. It's very, very unfortunate. So some of the developments here are very, very unregulated. A lot of the projects here have no permits near there. But we cannot live in a country with lawlessness. Yes, and it will create a lot of problems for all of us. The way forward is to have a conversation to see how best we can handle the situation, to see how best we can roll out this